I help my clients make more money without working any harder or longer. And one of the things that I help them do is really identify what is it, what emotion are they feeling, and what is that emotion creating. Clients will come with me and they'll say, I'm feeling overwhelmed. And they say it's because of the number of items that I need to do that are making me feel overwhelmed. But when we look at it, it's the reason that they're feeling overwhelmed is because they think of what that needs to look like. But when they really get their feet under them, they realize it's not the number of items that they do. It's just the things that they end up doing and what they create. And that overwhelm actually probably fuels them to really structure and organize what they're doing. And so I help my clients really identify what are they thinking and what are they feeling and what are those thoughts and feelings creating. Sometimes those thoughts and feelings are creating inaction. Other times, those thoughts and feelings are creating action. And so when we look at it, we can observe, is overwhelm working for you or is overwhelm working against you? Is overwhelm because of the thoughts, the items that you have to do, or is overwhelm just an indication that you have taken something and you need to organize something in your day to day or organize something in your structure? Overwhelm is an indication of what you're thinking. And we can create so much more even from overwhelm if you want to, but not using it to really create burnout, using it to fuel how can I organize my schedule, how can I organize my requirements, how can I organize what I need to get done. If you're ready to make more money without working any harder or longer, I can help you. Like, comment, or follow.